Hi friends, welcome to Nistala's Kitchen. Today I'll show you an authentic South Indian mutton curry. Let's start the process. Into a mixie jar, take 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of couscous or poppy seeds, and 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 3 green cardamom, and 7 to 8 cloves. Make a fine paste by adding little water into it and keep it aside. Now let's start the process. Take a pan, add oil into it, and once the oil is hot, add 1 cup of finely chopped onions and 3 green chilies slitted into 2. Fry them until these onions are in golden brown color. The color of these onions will decide the color of our curry. So ensure that you fry them nicely. See, after the onions are fried, add 1 spoon of freshly grinded ginger garlic paste and let the raw smell fade away. Fry it until then. Here I am showing these quantities for 1 kg mutton. After the raw smell is gone, I am adding the 1 kg cleaned mutton into this pan. Now we have to fry this mutton until it leaves out the oil. See, keep frying it until the oil is separated. See, I'm just keeping on frying it. That's it. See, now when you see oil like this, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per the taste, and chili powder. And give it a good mix. And keep stirring it again until you see the oil getting separated. Now we are only frying our mutton pieces. These are not getting boiled here. We are going to cook them in pressure cooker, which is a very easy way of making mutton. We are not using too many masalas or we are not making it too complicated, isn't it? Still, we are not able to see the oil getting separated. So keep mixing it for some more time. See, slowly the oil is getting separated. Can you see that? At this point of time, add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. You need not chop them very finely. It can be roughly chopped. And just give it a good mix. And now we are going to transfer all these contents into a cooker. If your meat is tender, 5 to 6 whistles, mutton would be cooked perfectly. In case if the meat is not tender, wait until 10 to 12 whistles. See, now I have added all the mutton into the cooker. I am adding 2 cups of water to boil the mutton. This is 1 kg mutton. I am adding 2 cups of water. The meat that I am cooking is very tender. So I would be giving 5 to 6 whistles and 2 cups of water is more than sufficient for the mutton to get boiled. See, now keep the lid of the cooker and give it 5 to 6 whistles. Now, if I open the lid and see, mutton is neatly cooked and the color itself is so tempting, right? Okay, we are not done yet. You remember we made a masala in the starting of the video? Now we have to add that masala into the cooker and boil it once again. See, our mutton pieces are cooked very nicely. I'm adding the masala that we made out of poppy seeds and coriander powder. I'm adding that masala into the cooker and keep stirring until you get the desired consistency. See, I'm just mixing it and I'm cooking the mutton once again along with this masala. And into this mutton curry, I am not adding coriander leaves also as a garnish because the dominating taste should be from mutton alone. In case if you prefer, you can add. See, this is the consistency I was looking for. I turned off the stove and I'm taking it into a serving bowl. Hope you will also try this recipe at home. And if you like it, do share it with your friends and family members. And for more such authentic recipes, do click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Thanks for watching Nestela's Kitchen. Bye everyone.